Hey guys, welcome back to Feniex University. Today we're going to be talking about the key differences between our Fusion surface mount and our Q Series surface mount. Starting over here on the Fusion surface mount, this is going to be a 3-mode single color product. So the color that you order it in is the color that it will always be. You have 3 different modes to allow you to have 3 different flash patterns. Now, moving over here to the Q Series side, as you can see, we've got an amber and white flashing mode. Now this is a 5-color product, so you're going to get red, green, blue, amber, and white out of every single module. This is also a 3-mode product, which will allow you to have 3 different modes. Got an amber and blue mode here, and a full red mode here. This product can also act as a brake light if it's oriented towards the back of the vehicle. Both of these options are great for perimeter lighting on all sides of the vehicle, whether it's in the grille, on the bumper, above the fender, on the running boards, or even on the rear bumper. So when it comes time to pick a technology, you have to ask yourself, are you needing single color amber, or does your state require and allow for you to have multicolor technology? Again, with the Q Series product line, you get green, red, amber, blue, and white right out of the boxes in 3 independently programmable modes. Thanks for tuning back in.